Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel JK777. This is your love reading. So we are going to find out what's happening in your love life. If you are in a steady relationship or you are single, we'll find out for both of you. I'm going to start with people who are in a relationship, and post this I'll move forward to people who are single. So let's see what's happening in your relationship. Okay, I get this. Virgos, you are recovering from some health issues. Definitely recovery is in process. You are very worried about that, but nothing to worry. You are going to be fine. It's just that this thing is going to take some time. So I'm sorry if you can hear the noise of the AC. I will switch it off in a while. So let's see, Virgos. Okay, I get this. Queen of Pentacles. So you are looking for commitment from someone who is not willing. Okay, someone who is not willing to move forward, or who is trying to, you are looking for a commitment from someone who is trying to ignore you or trying to block you. This person may have blocked you also, or they are not paying attention to you. Let's see, what is this? Yeah, we have the Devil here, so could be that all right, I get this card. This is Five of Swords in reverse. Virgos, please keep in mind that this is a general reading. This won't resonate to all of you. If you feel that this reading is not for you, you can please exit. Okay, because I'm getting some negative cards, so this message is for people who are really in this energy. So okay, now Virgos, this person is trying to block you, they are trying to ignore you. This person is not paying attention to you for some reason. I'm going to clarify this further. Let's see, why do we have this Five of Swords and the Devil? Let's see. Okay, I get this. This person is not happy with you, Virgo. Okay, this is for some of you, not for all, guys. Please keep in mind. This person feels that they have lost the charm in this relationship, and maybe the love has died between both of you. Okay, you are busy manifesting this person. You are not going to give up so soon. You are trying hard to make sure that this relationship works. So you are not going to give up so easily on this person. You are thinking a lot over this. I feel that for some of you, I feel that this person has done a lot for you in the past. Not that this person is bad, but this person has done a lot in the past for you. You owe them in some way. You feel, you realize their importance, and you are not going to give up on this so easily. In fact, I do see that you guys are having some arguments, and you may be telling this person, this person, since they are not paying attention to you, they're ignoring you, you may be telling them that how could you forget me so easily. It's like you don't like the way they are ignoring you, and you are like, how could you do this to me? That kind of an energy I see here. So okay, you are holding on to this person. You are holding on. You feel that this person is hiding something from you. You do feel. For some of you, yes, I feel that this is for some of you, Virgos, it was you also who was involved in a third party in the past. You were, for some of you, not all, some of you. Keeping a very close check on this person. You are not going to let this person go so easily. Let's see more. Okay, wow. Virgos, this is especially for people who are married. This is especially for people who are married. If you are in a marriage, this thing is temporary. If you are in a marriage, okay, you guys are going to sort this out because the relationship is very strong. Or if you are in a relationship where you have almost been with each other for years, this thing is going to work. Okay, let me clarify more. Let me clarify. You could be dealing with a Gemini, Capricorn, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, these are the signs that are prominent It could be any sun sign, but these are prominent, even the air energy. So Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see what's okay. I get this. I think things are going to improve, Virgos. Things are going to improve, and this person is going to communicate to you that if this person is not talking to you, or if you are not talking to this person, whatever it is, you guys are going to talk to each other. You guys are going to sit and discuss the issues. Okay, you guys are going to sit and discuss the issues between both of you, and what went wrong, how it went wrong. Let's see. Yeah, this person does have, I feel with the Queen of Cups, Lovers, Magician, this person has good memories about you. You know, they really care for you. They care for you a lot, Virgos. Okay, this person, whoever you have been dealing with, they really care for you. They know that the bond is very strong between both of you. But then there is something that's not working. I'm going to clarify this further later. But okay. See, I've got these two cards. We have the King of Cups and Ten of Swords. So some of you feel that this person is involved in a third party relationship. I do see for some of you, this person may be involved in a third party relationship, and you are like, you know, you are not going to give up on this person. And this person is involved in a third party relationship because they are very attracted to that person, and it was not in their control to fall in love with this person. It just happened. Could be that you guys are going to sit together, and this person you have been dealing with, they are going to sit and talk to you about how they fell in love with this third person, and you know how it was just not in their control. So I do see a lot of communication happening between you guys. So if you are single, then definitely there is a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces who is coming towards you with a love offer. If you are single and you're waiting for your Mr. Right, Miss Right, then definitely I see a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces coming towards you, a Gemini coming towards you. It could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also. I think this person has lied to you in the past. They have kept you in the dark. Some of you, Virgos, this person had kept you in the dark in the past. They lied to you, and you still, in spite of everything, you are like, okay, doesn't matter, I love you. That kind of an energy. Okay, this card just wants to come out. This is a Two of Cups. Good. Of course, if you are single, didn't I just say that there's a person who is coming, or this person has already come in your life, especially for single. This could be even for people who are married, and you know, you are in a steady relationship, you are not happy in your marriage. I do see that somebody else has come in your life. This, as I said, that this could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Aries, Leo, Saggy. This could be an Aries, Leo, Saggy, a male, and if she is a woman, then Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, very strongly. It could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also if she is a woman. So definitely I think things are very new. You guys are meeting, talking, things are very new. I do see a lot of communication between you guys. So let's see. Person that they have been involved with the third party, Virgos, your partner, this relationship is very strong, and yeah, if you are single, then this person wants to tell you that this person needs time. They want to become something before they commit to you, or before they come and talk to your parents. That kind of an energy. Okay, oh my god, I've got two cards here. Congratulations, some of you Virgos, you are getting married in a lockdown. What is it? I would rather say it's an engagement. So yes, you guys are either getting married or engaged, I don't know, but so this is going to be a happy marriage or a happy engagement. If at all you guys are getting married, things are going to move in your favor. This is for all of you. Doesn't matter whether you are single in this relationship. I think this I feel that you guys are going to sit and talk and discuss lot of energy. So see guys, Virgos, this energy could be something that you have been through in the recent past, you are going through, or you are going to go through in the coming 1-2 months. So this is that kind of an energy, but yes, things are going to move towards you in your favor. So let me clarify something more. This is for Virgos. I'm going to see what does your person feel for you. Let me see, what do they feel for you? What do they feel for you? If you're single, definitely expect someone towards you. This person really loves you, but they are waiting for the right time. This is for singles, okay? This is for single. This person loves you. I think they want to know you more. They want to explore this relationship before they move ahead and commit to you. Especially this is for singles. Let me keep these cards. Virgos, for some of you, I feel that this person, your partner, as I said, that you feel betrayed and this person was involved with a third person, whatever it is. For some of you, I feel that your partner is not happy with you, okay? They feel trapped in this relationship with you. They want to break free from this relationship. So maybe don't be surprised if you find yourself where you both are discussing about, or your person is trying to tell you, it's like, they may try to tell you that they're not happy with you in many ways, whichever compatibility, doesn't matter. But yeah, just a sec, I think this card wants to come out. You have the Six of Waters here. This person does miss you. As I told you, this person is very emotional about you. Come what may, they are going to be there for you. However, whatever support you need from them, they are going to be there for you. But this person is involved with somebody else. So I don't know, this person is not so happy with you, Virgos. Now this is for some of you, not for all. Please keep that in mind. If any time you feel that this reading is not for you, please, you can exit, because don't try to fit in, okay? If you feel that this reading is not for you, please don't try to fit in. You can exit. This person is going to make a choice very soon. We have the Five of Air, Six of Water. I'm going to keep this here. Okay, let me see. What else do I get for you, Virgos? Let me see this person. What is the outcome for you in this situation? Outcome for you in this situation. Outcome for you in this. Okay, I think this card wants to come out. We have the Page of Air. See, this card is trying to tell you that challenging information, delays or change to plans, truth delivered without tact. So guys, Virgos, as I told you, this person is going to confess to you, or you are going to have some serious talks between you guys. So this person may tell you some truth. Do expect that this person is going to come up and tell you some truth. Now this could be anything. So, and this person wants to be honest and loyal towards you, and they want to reveal everything that's going on in their mind. So we have this twice. So definitely there are arguments, conflict. This person is not happy with you, Virgos. And of course, I do feel that this person has hurt you in the past, ignored you, or I do see that heavy energies for you. You feel trapped in this situation, Virgos. Okay. Let me see what more can we get in this situation. Let me see what more message can I get in this situation for you. Now what's the outcome in this situation? What's the outcome in this situation? Please give me a message. What's the outcome in this situation? What's the outcome in this situation? For some of you, I feel there is an ex who is going to approach you very soon. We have the High Priestess. Yes, this person is going to come and talk to you. Some truths will be revealed to you. We have the Hangman. Just surrender. The message for you, Virgos, is just surrender to God. Just surrender to you. Oh, this card just wants to pop out. This is a Nine of Wands, which has come twice. So, my God, I cannot tell you. I've got the same card twice. So, some truths are going to be revealed to you. Knight of Rods. Definitely, I told you there's somebody who is coming in your life. This person is going to propose you, especially if you are single. Doesn't matter, single, married. I do see there's somebody in your life who is showing an interest in you. With the Hangman, you guys have surrendered to universe. You are just going with the flow. You want this relationship to work out. I do see that, you really don't want to give up on this. You're trying hard. There is an ex who may come back in your life, Virgos. Okay, this is for some of you. I do see an ex coming back in your life. Now this, oh my God, I cannot tell you, this card has come again. Virgos, why do you want to be in this relationship? I don't know who is this message for, but why do you want to be in this relationship where this person doesn't value you, they hurt you, or you feel that they are just not concerned about your emotions. They just don't care about how you feel. They take you for granted. Why do you want to be in this situation, Virgos? Please, if you feel that you are stuck in a toxic relationship, I would advise you to please leave this person. Okay, there's no point in being with a person who doesn't respect you, doesn't value you. You have a choice, Virgos. You have a choice. Let me pull some more cards. Let's see what's there for you, Virgos. What's okay? Love yourself first. Didn't I just tell you? Virgos? Look at this. You are doing everything for this person on the cost of your self-respect. You just don't care. You have to focus on your own self. Don't give so much that the other person loses your value. Let them know who you are. If they really love you, they'll come back to you, come what may. See, whatever is destined for you will happen in your favor. If not today, maybe after few months, maybe after 1-2 years, I don't know. So focus on your own self, Virgos. Don't give in too much. Love yourself first. If this person doesn't value you, why do you want to be in this relationship? Unrequited love. Oh my God, didn't I just tell you there's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going? Some of you, I strongly feel that this relationship is heading towards an end. This is for some of you. I don't know who is this message for, but I do feel that this relationship is heading towards an end because there is no love left, and it's just that you who is trying to hold on to this relationship. So okay, what is this? Express your love. And there is this person who really loves you. I told you that there's somebody who loves you. So if that's the case, then I think you should go ahead. Okay, go ahead with the person who really values you. Go ahead with the person who really wants your time. Go ahead with the person who really wants to be with you. The one who really loves you, respects you. That is the kind of person you should be choosing. Not this toxic person who doesn't care, who doesn't have emotion, who hurts you. And I think, as I told you, as an outcome I'm getting, this person is going to come and tell you the truth, etc, etc, everything. So singles, okay. Oh my God, release this person. Look at this. Release this person you are holding on to. Didn't I just say the time has come that you should let this person go away? Just release this person, whoever this is, I don't know. Singles, you should be happy because yes, there is this new person who is coming in your life very soon. And I told you already that, what is this? Oh God, free yourself. Look at this, Virgos. This is for people who are stuck in a toxic relationship. Look, all the cards are trying to tell me the same thing. You are stuck in a relationship which is about to end, or it has lost the charm. The spark has died between both of you. This person that you've been dealing with, they are going to come and confront and I think you guys are going to have some discussions, heavy discussions. Either you have gone through this energy in the recent past, or you are going through, or you are going to go through in the coming 1 month or so, 1-2 months, whatever it is. Okay, so all right. So let's see what's coming up for singles. Let's see what's coming up for singles. This is for singles who are really waiting to be waiting for their Mr. Right, Miss Right. This is for singles. Let's see what's coming up for singles. What's coming up for singles? Okay, I think this card wants to come out. Wow. Singles, I think some of you are from this entertainment industry, or you are in the limelight. There you may have followers, people around you, they love you, they want to be with you. Everybody around you wants your time. You're enjoying. Some of you're really enjoying. You don't care. Of course you're waiting, but you don't really care. You know, you are like, okay, I'm okay being single. You know, that kind of an energy for some of you. Okay, I get one more card. What is this? Yes, single, I think you're going to meet somebody very soon. Okay, I told you before, this person is coming. You may meet this person in a party, in a get together, something like this. Okay, I do see that you're going to meet this person somewhere via friends, whatever it is. Let me pull out some more cards for you singles. This could also apply to people who are stuck in a toxic relationship and you're looking for, you know, who's coming next. Okay, this could also apply to you guys. Okay, I get one more card. What is this? Wow, didn't I just say this person is coming in your life very soon? For some of you, this person is already there in your life. This person is already there. It's just that it's too new. Okay, it's too new because you both are in this phase where you both are knowing each other, or you both don't even know that you both are going to connect in the near future, or maybe there is this deep liking from their end and you don't know it because you are stuck in some other relationship, whatever it is. Okay, now I think this card wants to come out. This is the Pentacles. Wow, somebody is going to get a new job here, a new business proposal, a new offer, new contract, new proposal, whatever it is. A new job, new offer, new business proposal is coming your way. Singles, yes, there's somebody who's trying hard to get your attention. They're doing all the possible things to get close to you. That kind of an energy I do see here. So let me see if I get any more messages for you singles. Okay, what is this? Yes, I told you, this person really wants you, especially if she is a woman and you are a masculine energy, then this lady is wanting you to propose them or you to take the initiative, because we have got it twice. Okay, so there is a female in your life, Virgos. This is for the men out there. There is a female in your life who really loves you. She wants your attention. She's trying hard to get close to you, and for some of you, yes, this person, maybe they want you to take the first step, something like that. So that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this reading, and if you did, please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. And also you can connect with me in my Instagram, Facebook page, or my Facebook. If you have any query, you can send me personal messages in my Instagram or my Facebook page. I'm always available there. I have mentioned all these details at the end of this video here. Okay, so you take care, Virgos. Have a great day. Bye.